I think I'm getting used to this because you know what? At least I'm not getting hit by anyone.
Speed. I am Speed. Howdy, Tyler.
Oh, now I'm gonna get hit. No! Don't hit me there!
KACHOW.
I gotta put my knees up again, my legs.
KACHOW.
No!
I'm gonna hit your feet.
No, don't do... Well, that wouldn't hurt that
I
bad.
love feet.
I didn't want to hear that.
KACHOW.
No. What if he stopped the video?
I didn't stop it.
What if you did? That'd be a problem, wouldn't it?
Whoops. You made a mistake there.
Oh!
I'm gonna hit you and smash your glasses.
Don't do that. That's gonna cost me money.
Does it look like I care?
Stop!
Hey, you hurt my friend.
Well, you're not gonna... Well, you didn't hurt as bad.
Whatever. Hey, pan the camera away so I can get my friend back.
I see him down there, down the hill. They're gonna walk up the hill. There you go. The hill of my legs.
Why would you do that to me? Come on, I'm a good guy, you know?
What's your political stance?
Look at me, I'm red.
Yeah, okay.
That's why I painted myself to be a red car.
What color were you originally?
Blue or gray, I don't know. Yeah, KACHOW.
It's funny. Mater, you were originally blue.
Oh yeah, I was. Well, I like myself better this way.
Yeah.
KACHOW. KACHOW.
Is that all you're gonna say?
McDonald's. Hi, look at you. You have that stupid stain on your shirt. And the black thing. Man, I hate that color.
Will you shut up about that? Look, it's not a big deal.
Hey, you think he needs a bib? I do think that. He needs a bib, am I right, Mater? Yeah, he's right. You need a bib, Dad.
Shut up. You think you're so funny. Yeah, well, how did Cars 2 work out for the two of you at Rotten Tomatoes, huh?
It was the highest grossing Cars movie, you dumb. It worked out great.
Well, yeah, well, Mater, are you proud of the humor in it?
I am proud of it. KACHOW.
No, what do you think of the humor?
Oh, I love that movie. I hate that movie because it didn't have me in it. Well, not much.
You were just saying that how good it was.
No, I wasn't.
Oh, great. Here we go. You saying something didn't happen. Look, when it did.
My wheels have Lightyear on them. Like Pixar's Lightyear movie with Socks the funny cat.
Oh, I didn't even... Well, I mean, Socks was really, like, the only good thing in it.
And Mo, voiced by Taika Waititi, director of Thor, Love and Thunder.
Okay, look, no, it's just... I mean, the plushies of Socks are a little annoying, but...
Socks is coming.
What?
He might.
He's not going to be voiced by Chris Pratt, is he?
I will not confirm.
Okay, it's fine. We're at the 4-minute, 12-second mark.
Goodbye, Tyler. Goodbye, Tyler.
Goodbye. I hope that's it now.